viewers and lovers of mathematics. I am Tutor Cletus Okole. Today's math class is an exponential equation, quadratic exponential equation. If 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 5 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 is equal to 10, what should be the value of x? Let us watch this video, watch to the end, subscribe to my channel and share the video. And may God bless you. Alright, solution to the given question. It is 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 5 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 equal to 10. I want you to see in logarithms, if I give you the log of AB, it is the same thing as log of A plus log of B. So I'm going to apply this law into this question to write it as the log of 2 to the power of x plus the log of 5 to the power of x raised to the power 2, then equal to log of 10. So I have applied logarithms to all the sides of the equation, okay? The right hand side and the left hand side. And this is the result. The next thing I will do is to apply the exponential law, okay? If I give you the log of x raised to the power n, it is equal to n the log of x. And when I apply that here, it is going to give me x log 2 plus x raised to the power 2 log 5 equal to the log of 10. The log 10. Very good. Now, at this point, I want to divide all 2 by log 5. Okay? The reason is because I want this place to be only x raised to the power 2. Therefore, dividing all 2 by log 5, I have log x log 2 over log 5 plus x squared log 5 over log 5 is equal to the log of 10 all over log 5. You can now see that log 5 will cancel log 5, giving me x log 2 over log 5 plus x then equal to log 10 all over log 5. At this point, what I want to do, this place is x raised to the power 2. What I want to do, I want to take this to be the first part, and that becomes for me x squared then plus x log 2 divided by log 5, this is log 2, then minus log 10 all over log 5 equal to 0. I have moved log 10 over log 5 from the right hand side to the left hand side, so it becomes a negative 1. So this place now is over 1. Taking the LCM, what I will now have is log 5. Then this place will now be 1 divided this multiplied by this will give me x squared log 5. Then plus this place will now give me x log 2. While this place will give me minus log 10, okay, equal to 0. By cross multiplication, log 5 will multiply 0 to give me 0. So I now have x squared log 5 plus x log 2, then minus log 10 equal to 0. Now, as it is, I want you to see this very importantly. You know, mathematics is life. We solve maths every day. We do mathematics every day, even in our business places. We solve mathematics. Okay, you see, if I have log 10 is the same thing as log 2 plus log 5 because 10 is the same thing as 2 multiplied by 5. So therefore, log 10 will now be equal to log 2 multiplied by 5, which if you expand, it will now give us this. Okay? So log 10 is equal to log 2 plus log 5. Now, from this I have, you can now see making log 2 subject to the formula, I will now have log 10 minus log 5 is equal to log 2. So I'm going to replace this log 2 with log 10 minus log 5, so that I can now have x squared log 5 plus x into the bracket, replacing log 2 equal to log 10, okay, minus log 5 then minus log 10 equal to 0. Mathematics is life. Subscribe to my channel, Tutor Cletus Okoli, and watch our videos as I upload them. Now, I will open the bracket here to have it as x squared log 5. Opening the bracket is x log 10, then minus x log 5, then log 10 equal to 0. Now, factoring what is common here, we have x squared log 5. Moving this one to this place, it becomes minus log x log 5. Then I have plus x log 10. Then taking this one is minus log 10 equal to 0. Now, what is common here is x log 5. So I factor it out. X log 5 into the bracket, I have x minus 1. Then what is common here is log 10. So I have plus log 10 into the bracket, I have x minus 1. Everything is equal to 0. What I have done is that this place I have x squared log 5 minus x log 5. So I factored x log 5 outside. This place is remaining 1 and here is remaining x, since x is raised to power 2. Also, this place log 10, I factored it out. Left with me is x, this x, and then minus 1. So this is what I have. Now, if you look very well, you will notice that I have x minus 1 by the left and x minus 1 by the right. So I can factor it out to have it as x minus 1 into the bracket. And again, using the ones outside, which is x log 5 plus x log 10. Sorry, x log 5, that is this, plus log 10 equal to 0. Now, if you have a bracket like this, what it means is that the first bracket is equal to 0 and the second bracket is equal to 0. So solving on, what I will now have is x minus 1 is equal to 0, implying that the value of x is equal to what? I have gotten the first value of x. The second value of x is also x log 5, then plus log 10 is equal to 0. Meaning that x log 5 is equal to negative log 10. Therefore, x is equal to minus log 10 all over log 5. But by law of change of base in logarithms, if I give you the log of a divided by the log of b, it is equal to log a base b. So I can now conclude that the value of x, the second value of x is minus log 10 base 5. Second value of x. Thank you for watching this video. I encourage you to substitute the values of x into the original equation to see if it will give us what we have by the right hand side, which is 10. May God bless you. Subscribe and share.